Today, I'll show you how to take partial profit on TradingView. Taking partial profit means closing only part of your position while leaving the rest of the trade open. This can help you lock in some gains while still giving the remaining position a chance to continue moving in your favor. First, open TradingView and go to the chart where your active trade is displayed. Make sure you are connected to a supported broker or paper trading account. You can check this from the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Once your account is connected, find your open position on the chart or in the trading panel. Click on the active position to open the position details. Now choose the option to close or modify the position. Instead of closing the full trade size, change the quantity to only the part you want to close. For example, if your position size is one lot and you want to take half profit, enter 0.50 lots as the close quantity. If your trade is in shares or contracts, enter the number of shares or contracts you want to close. Review the order details carefully before confirming. Make sure the direction is correct, and check that you are reducing the position, not opening a new trade in the opposite direction. Once everything looks correct, click Close, Sell, or Buy to cover, depending on the trade type and broker. After the order is filled, TradingView should show a smaller remaining position. For example, if you closed half of the trade, the other half will stay open on the chart. You can then move your stop loss, set a new take profit level, or let the rest of the position continue. If you are using TradingView paper trading, the same process works for practice trades. And that's it. You now know how to take partial profit on TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.